Hello everybody, I hope you're doing great and feeling well. Welcome to this video. We're back today with one more Chrome text effect, which is one of our most popular products, which our VIP members have loved it so much, so we decided to record the video for you and show you how easy by using this template you can convert your text or logo into this so beautiful realistic Chrome style just with one click and in less than 1 minute. So this template is designed with our special formula, and up to watching this video I'm sure you're not going to find it anywhere else, nothing like it, and as realistic as this one is, and you can work with it so easy without having any special knowledge in Photoshop, just with a few clicks. So if you want to download this style, you just need to join our VIP membership, which you can just refer to hyperpixel.net, which is our website, and join the VIP account, and you're going to access all of our products. Don't forget that also weekly we're going to add so many new text effects to our collection, which you can also access them as well and use them and enjoy. So let's get started with working with this template. Don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, subscribe and hit the bell. So let's get started with editing. I'm so excited. To edit the main text, you just need to right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. So in the window which appears right here, we have two texts which have two different fonts, which you can just use the font remaining, or you can have a different font, any font you have in mind. I'm going to type Chrome right here and have the E with capital. I'm going to click OK. I think it's not just in the center. I'm just going to bring it a little bit in the middle, minimize a little, and excellent. So we also do the same with the text at the bottom. I'm going to typed right here. So I'm going to bring it right in the center, check everything's okay. So guys, this text has a little bend if you pay attention, which you can just select the tool of the text, just right click on the first layer, warp text, and you can adjust the level of the bend. Also we have vertical distortion right here, which you can also set the level and increase or decrease, just like this. So everything's perfect. So we're going to close and click save until we see our brilliant stuff. So as you see, the result is so unique, and as you see we have some sparkles right here. You just need to select the sparkles group and drag the sparkles and place them wherever you want. Just check out the difference of the light reflection when we place it on the edges of our text. So you can also do the same with all of the other sparkles and place them wherever you think it looks better. I'm going to place this one right here and this one here. Here we go. And finally, I'm going to place this one here. I think it's excellent. So we just ignore the effects folder as it contains the main layers, and you just ignore it. So we have these two texts at the bottom right here which are customizable. You can also switch the layer off. So you just need to bring these two folders right in the center, and as you see how easy we did it. And if you just switch the background off, we can have a brilliant transparent, which is amazing and allows you to use it in any project you want. It's the world's fastest template, honestly. So I'm going to test it on a logo and show you how the logo is going to convert into this style. You just need to come back to this window and insert your logo. I'm going to use Dodge logo, just bring it here. We don't need the text, just remove them. Bring the logo right in the center. I'm going to close and click save. Honestly, it's incredible. So we just need to bring the effects file a little up. I think it's great right here. Just going to put the sparkles in their right place, just like this. You can also just switch all of the sparkles off, just leave one remaining, which is a much faster way, and from the sparkle that's left, by using the Alt button, you can get copies and drag all over your logo and place it wherever you like. Honestly, this is the best you've ever seen. So just place in a few more places, just like this. And here we go. Honestly, this is magic. So thanks for watching this video. If you like to download this text effect, you just need to refer to hyperpixel.net and join the VIP membership, and you're going to access this template and all of our other products. Don't miss out on this brilliant chance. Our products are fantastic and they can help you to be much more faster and speed up your work. So you can have and check out the list of all of our products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye to our next video from Mary.